Hello friends, today I will continue with another section of chapter 12 of Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The specified or particular section is section 65. The title is Revocation of Patent or Amendment of Complete Specification on Directions from Government in Cases Relating to Atomic Energy. Fine. Again, I would like to say that please observe the underlined words in the title and inside the key points as well. Okay, as I always do, I will explain all the subsections through my key points. Subsection 1, where at any time after grant of a patent the central government is satisfied that a patent is for an invention relating to atomic energy for which no patent can be granted under subsection 1 of section 20 of the Atomic Energy Act 1962, it may direct the controller to revoke the patent, and thereupon the controller, after giving notice to the patentee and every other person whose name has been entered in the register as having an interest in the patent, and after giving them an opportunity of being heard, may revoke the patent. Fine. Okay, the whole subsection, just do one thing. First of all, observe the underlined words and then try to read the subsection. And in short, here I have explained what it describes about. Fine. So we can say there is a granted patent. Okay. Central government realizes it to be related to atomic energy. Then central government direct the controller to revoke. The controller gives notice, and it also gives an opportunity of being heard. And then if he feels so, he may revoke. Fine. So this is the gist of this subsection. Next is subsection 2. In every proceedings under subsection 1, the controller may allow the patentee to amend the complete specification in such manner as he considers necessary instead of revoking the patent. Okay, the same thing you do. Please observe the underlined words, and then I have written in short what does this particular subsection describes. So in short, we can say amendment can be done instead of revocation. Okay, that means here it gives an opportunity to amend instead of revocation. Fine. Okay. Next. Okay, I think I shall continue with another section as well, and this is the last subsection of chapter 12. Fine. So this is section, actually this is the, I think I have no, it's okay. We can continue with section 66. Title is Revocation of Patent in Public Interest. Okay. Actually friends, what happened, I thought that I will complete only section 65 in this video, but I think it will be wise enough to continue section 66 and finish the whole chapter. That's why I am continuing. Fine. Okay. Section 66 says Revocation of Patent in Public Interest. Okay. Where the central government is of opinion that a patent or the mode in which it is exercised is mischievous to the state or generally prejudicial to the public, it may, after giving the patentee an opportunity to be heard, make a declaration to that effect in the official gazette, and thereupon the patent shall be deemed to be revoked. Fine. So I would like to say the same thing, that please observe the underlined words, please read it again, and here in short it means, that means this particular, we can say, subsection means revocation is done when the patent is prejudicial to the public in any way. Right? Yeah. And this way friends, all the sections of chapter 12 are completed. I guess I have already published the quiz for chapter 12 that many of you have answered, and there were some confusions as well, and I have solved all. So you can refer that as well now after going through this video. So please do it. Please go through all my videos. Please share it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, it will be very easily it will reach to you. Okay friends, and I would like to tell you that please compliment or comment in the comment box, and if you have any queries regarding the particular section, then please write in the comment section. Okay friends, thank you so much for supporting me. Many of you are giving some compliments. Many of you are writing some queries as well. Honestly, I would like to say that I like both the things, and moreover I like to solve the queries. Okay, and I would give a high weightage to the queries than the compliments. Okay friends, thank you so much. God bless you.